Welcome to RIMYI. We are a high-tech enterprise with over 16 years of experience in PCBA research and manufacturing, delivering advanced, customized solutions to clients worldwide. As an industry leader, our factory is ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified, ensuring that every product meets the highest global standards. From initial design to final production, we offer comprehensive, end-to-end services, including PCBA development, customization, prototyping, technical support, supply chain management, and industrial design, helping clients transform ideas into market-ready products. At the heart of our innovation is our R&D team of 50-plus engineers, specializing in rapid customization and delivering tailored PCBA solutions within 7 to 12 days. Our state-of-the-art production process covers the entire PCBA manufacturing chain, including MIC elements, SMT assembly, programming, back-end soldering, and final testing. With 100% OEM and SPI inspection, we ensure that every board meets the highest standards of performance, reliability, and durability. Today, RIMYI proudly serves 30-plus industry-leading clients across 100-plus countries, delivering high-quality solutions to a global market. At RIMYI, we are committed to innovation, quality, and customer success. We don't just manufacture PCBA, we create solutions that power the future.